Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove a Google Nest Doorbell. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Removing a Google Nest Doorbell is simple but requires care to avoid damaging the device or its mount. So the first step is to gather the tools that is included in the box, which is the release tool. If you don't have the release tool, a thin strong object like a flathead screwdriver, paperclip, or a SIM card removal tool can work. Step 2 is to turn off power for wired model only. Turn off power to the doorbell at the circuit breaker to prevent electrical shock. If connected to a chime, make sure it's also powered down. Step 3 is to remove the Nest Doorbell, that is battery. Locate the release hole on the bottom of the doorbell. Insert the tool. Push the release tool firmly into the hole until the doorbell pops loose from the mount. Lift the doorbell. Once released, lift the doorbell up and away from the bracket. And for the Nest Doorbell wire, locate the release hole. The release hole is on the bottom of the doorbell. Insert the release tool or similar object into the hole and press firmly. Lift the doorbell. Pull the doorbell upward to remove it from the bracket and disconnect the wires. Unscrew or disconnect the two wires attached to the back of the doorbell. Tuck the wires back into the wall to keep them safe. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.